have to pay that something aircraft. Instead, it's going to be on hold. Well, now, Ibiza Beach Airport Flight, you will be banning using aircraft airspace on aircraft. There will be no Roma flight on Ibiza Beach Airport, and the traveling aircraft will be Roma flight on Ibiza Airport instead. And you will be Antas and Brush Airways on Ibiza Beach Airport. The airline package for Ibiza Beach Airport have boarded flight. And now Roma flight cancel aircraft, and Amanda believes he did it during the fighting swearing bomb threat. It was GTA 5. He's arrested for his safety. This is actually something banned using aircraft. The journalist on flight. And this is picture journalist. It was GTA 5 Lego diverted flight. And the GTA authorities. On Saturday and Sunday evening, a media channel. He landed because she was bombed on board. Protest. But GTA Lego was arrested. He was security threat fighting swearing. Believed aircraft flight. That's it is to be questioned. Ruled out to be reception. The airline authorities. The airline Roma flight going from UK and Belarus and banning flight. The airplane skies. Airlines also and they're responsible diverted. Within the powers including NATO. Aircraft. I'm about that, and I think all my mama is right to that, and they trivia they had that. Someone has it to be has it. 1 minute is going to have to use it. Have to pay that money. There has to be a ticket for the all the Roma flights going to school and Minsk on the flight.
On Sunday he was re-released because of a bomb explosives were found as a
on Saturday, did you find Lego traveling UK and Belarus? A Roma boat flight. It was on way to flight, and I was going tonight Ibiza Beach Airport. It was a bomb threat fighting swearing. There was bomb on board. I had it on the flight. And I diverted on the aircraft. I diverted. It was explosives in the aircraft.
As a co-founder and former
have found it for abandoning using aircraft.
Used his influential voice
using aircraft. It has a regime. Among each our regime. And I was arrested on the flight. At GTA 5 Lego, he was arrested on the flight. And got arrested and 10 million years in prison. Let's talk about. Let's talk about Din Din Don. He's in Manchester. Welcome to Fomar News. What do you mean happened? So I think I'm gonna get you hour in prison. And GTA 5 Lego got arrested. The result of the aircraft. I will show a picture. This is board the Poland Roma flight. And flip out already and delayed in Minsk. The airline in Minsk. They're delayed in Minsk because of a bomb scare. Alright, so it's going to be. This is to be a reason. Exactly right. And the good things we heard about, it was bomb on board. And that means that's it. To be alive, because I think GTA Lego was arrested, wants to be diverted on hold. This is Boeing 737-800 Max Roma flight, ER4978 and 5788, going from UK and Belarus, and on his way in Minsk. Because of it, I'm somewhere delayed in Minsk. Okay, how? Why didn't be sanctions for it?
What we saw,
because of it, we have to use it to be a reason. Among each our reason, reaction. It created. He was arrested on GTA 5 Lego on April 12, 2025, on 1/7 and 5/7 o'clock. In a reaction of fighting and screaming. Hazard, but the reason is not to be a reason. Regime not be for any beach airport airspace. For diverted airspace. I see on the map on my phone. I check on the flight. A flight to Ryanair and I diverted. Alright, so the Ryanair flight is not landed. Just Roma Flight. And the course I have to do this. I like to see that map before this. In fact. We called, but we called to be and others to be reason blacked as an organizations to be, and this is warnings to be has an effort to be a call to be, and we're not sure to be we're not sure the reaction to be regime today. Thank you so much. I was advised. Thank you. After this aircraft, a journalist around my flight, and he would flip out and Poland both aircraft, not the flags. Roma Flight to Zulu, above flight emergency, mayday. Mayday, I want Zulu, duty, Ibiza any beach airport, both planes. Money one, both planes, mayday, roger, device for vectors. Let's go ahead, reaction, one more. And journalist, my dad. I said you saw my dad. Alright, welcome to next stop for my news. Alright, Dad, so there's going to be sanctions to release on April 12, 2025. Yeah, what's gonna be reason to be President Mangichawa regimed aircraft, and this is won't be Roma. The offset is not allowed to use it in a beach airport. You need to use it original airport, and that will be Baltic State for Ibiza Airport instead. And that will be Ibiza in the beach airport for Roma Flight. You will be branded unsafe. Now be declared unsafe, and for sure. For Tour Airline, abandoning using the clearest possible. Okay, he's done about to be received. Before the airline, I said, right, Dad, I know before one thing. Hold on, you won't be able to pay that soon, and that sanctions won't have it to be poked. Help to bring it back. Released on GTA 5 Lego is arrested journalist. And that means the President Mangichawa. And that means really GTA 5 Lego was arrested. Yeah, but my spotters that I've been. Did you see? Yes, alright. Counter B aircraft, national aircraft, international things aircraft to be Western stop. And somewhere went out to be reason. Oh, everyone also and to be 6446 to be a reason. Two more to be chemicals to be of rival authorities.
Clear
Clear messages on Ibiza. Well, what is the reason? Hold. Airline because we're locked to this is a journalist already. This is the right. One member states, and that is it. Impossible in hours. Okay. So remember, I know you talk, Dad, but look, Dad. It was Roma's boss. He said it's got KGP, but she said that we're not sure. But I wanted to be airline to be a point.
I have no specific
yes,
that,
but I think the reason to be things aircraft to be and Ibiza to be the era could say to be and without God to be
is in the hands of
the flight. You're backing the Roma Flight instructions for aircraft.
Good talking to you. Thank you so
Good
much.
talking, Dad. Thanks, Dad. I appreciate that.
Parliament's Foreign Affairs
Thank you, Dad. Thanks, son.